referendum for your welfare scheme, sir?
Yeah, definitely. The day one I have told this is referendum for my government. Last time I have got 33.5% of vote. So Modi is not take my challenge. BJP also is not saying that this is referendum for Modi government.
Asking about a central question, government question. Arvind Kejriwal says that next time Amit Shah will be the PM.
Yeah, every possibility is there. Narendra Modi ji date of birth is September 17th, 1950. September 17th, 2025, the date is going to complete Narendra Modi ji 75 years. Whereas Narendra Modi has declared 75 years is the limit for any position. So this time people they are not voting for Narendra Modi. Who is the alternate person? He has to say. When he has fixed some age limit, his own target he has to, his own whatever benchmark is there, he has to obey his own decision. If that is the case, September 17th, 2025, who is our next Prime Minister if BJP is going to figure? No one is ready to support Bharatiya Janata Party or India Alliance. So this time, India Alliance is going to form the government.
सर पीएम कह रहे हैं कि उनकी रैलीज में जिस तरह से लोग आ रहे हैं, समंदर के जैसे लोग आ रहे हैं, वो कॉन्फिडेंट है 400 से ज्यादा सीट लाएंगे.
मैं पहले कह चुका हूं, अगर इस बार 400 पार सरहद के पार अगर चुनाव लड़े तो हो सकता है. पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश, अफगानिस्तान, सम अदर प्लेसेस, अगर भारतीय जनता पार्टी चुनाव लड़े तो बात 400 की होगी. क्योंकि मैं बार बार कह चुका हूं, अभी भी कहना चाहता हूं, मैं पूरा साउथ, केरला, तमिलनाडु, पुदुचेरी, कर्नाटका, आंध्र प्रदेश एंड तेलंगाना, we have 130 seats. So hardly BJP is going to get 15 to 20 seats out of 130. And remaining 413 seats, BJP is contesting only 330 seats. Then how come BJP is going to get 400 seats? Nowadays they are not quoting this slogan. This नारा बंद कर दिए. अब मोदी जी और अमित भाई का भाषण सुनो, कहीं पर भी 400 की बात नहीं निकल रहा. हम सरकार बनाने वाले, कैसे वो भी सरकार बनाने वाले, वो भी नहीं कह रहा है कि अलायंस और ऑन इट्स ओन.
सर मुस्लिम रिजर्वेशन को लेके काफी पीएम ने टारगेट किया है कर्नाटक कांग्रेस सरकार को, और उन्होंने तेलंगाना को और आंध्र प्रदेश को भी टारगेट लिया है. इस चीज पे कह रही है कि कांग्रेस जो है अगर पावर में सत्ता में वापस आई, SC ST OBC रिजर्वेशन ले लेगी फिर मुसलमान को देगी.
भाई मोदी जी 13 years he has worked as a chief minister, 10 years he has worked as a prime minister. After 23 years he has completed his elected position. Till he doesn't understand what is our constitution. There is no such provision on basis of religion. There is no such reservations in Constitution of India. We don't have any reservations for religion. Our reservations are based on the socially, economically backward. Some of the Muslim practicing people are most backward. Those are getting reservations in PCE group. That is not religious reservation. He has to understand. He cannot mislead. He is a prime minister. So my question direct. NDA alliance is contesting in Andhra Pradesh. Why they have not declared or disclosed that they are going to cancel the Muslim reservation in Andhra Pradesh? Direct NDA alliance is there. They are contesting in Andhra Pradesh. पिछले कुछ दिनों से वहीं पर नरेंद्र मोदी जी चुनाव का नारा लगा रहा है। क्यों आंध्र प्रदेश में जो मुसलमान को 4% रिजर्वेशन मिल रहा है वो रद्द करने के लिए क्यों नहीं कहा? इन अदर हैंड यू गो थ्रू दैट एनडीए मैनिफेस्टो, they have declared so many soaps for Christians and Muslims. So simply Narendra Modi ji, Bharatiya Janata Party is bluffing our nation, which is unfortunate.
Sir, Rahul Gandhi ji has asked Modi ji to come for an open debate and have a civil debate moderated by Engram. Our channel asked PM about this question. He said that मैं कामदार हूँ, वो नामदार हैं. I come from a poor mother's son. I will only work. I will not come to debates.
तो हार मान लिए, इसमें क्या पड़े छुपाने का? हम लोग इंडिया अलायंस के नाम पे वोट मांग रहा है, बीजेपी मोदी के नाम से वोट मांग रहा है. कौन नामदार है, कौन कामदार है? कन्याकुमारी से कश्मीर तक 150 days, 4,000 kilometers. He has worked for Dalit, आदिवासी, BC, OBC, minority, महिलाओं के लिए. Then whereas Narendra Modi all these 10 years he is roaming like anything in the air. Even short distance also using helicopter or flights. Whereas Rahul Gandhi is walking by legs. So who is rich, who is poor? Who is working for poorest of the poor people? So that is why he is avoiding to debate. All these issues will come on in this debate. That is why he is simply, when they have called Rahul Gandhi ji as a pappu, when you are not ready to discuss with pappu also, so what should I say?
So you went to campaign Kerala, Tamil Nadu, all the southern states. So what was pulse there? I think you went to all the states.
I went even Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh. Yes, I know what is happening undercurrent. The tsunami is going to come. Undercurrent, the wave is there against Narendra Modi. Everyone has decided to teach a lesson to Bharatiya Janata Party.
So on that morphing video, Amit Shah is saying that you are scared of Delhi police.
Boss, all these days we have told he was using ED, income tax, CBI. Now he has started using Delhi police also. Once Bharatiya Janata Party, Telangana wing has complained our cyber crime. They have registered and they have arrested some of the people who have done or who are facing allegations. Then how come one more FIR in Delhi with Delhi police? Who are the complainants? MHA. What way MHA? They are using their establishment. Ministry of Home Affairs. If some political party, some individual or some politician, they have made some video, they have posted that video against one leader. Party has to react or otherwise individuals has to react. Whereas in this case, MHA has given complaint. Complainant is MHA. So I am asking you straight question. When Narendra Modi ji speaking against Constitution, he has made so many statements, and moreover Navneet Kaur and others, Navneet Kaur, she has made a statement in Telangana. She is asking for 15 seconds to finish entire Muslims. It is going to create an havoc in the country. And Rupalaji, he has made derogatory comments against Rajputs. He has abused, he has insulted Rajputs. He has insulted Rajput women. So, Bharatiya Janata Party is making all these statements, the leaders. MHA is not ready to complain against anyone. Whereas in Telangana, in some remote place, someone has created some video. I don't know what is that video, what is that contention also, or content. Then how come they are accusing me as a A1? Being on a chief minister, being on a Congress party president, Delhi police has come and they have issued notice to come and attend in Delhi. So how Bharatiya Janata Party using all these institutions for their electoral benefit? So all these issues are there. Country is watching how BJP is trying to get benefit from through agencies, ED, Income Tax, CBI and Delhi police.
Sir, PM has said ED was accused by opposition as acting as agent of BJP, but in these elections they have unearthed a lot of money in Bihar, Jharkhand. Visuals are there, proof of it. ED is unearthing that land for job scam also in Bihar. So ED has done a very good job, is what PM is saying.
So I wanted to ask one more question in continuation of that. Modi has told time and again, Devagowda and Kumaraswamy are most corrupt father and son. How come he has stuck with Devagowda and family? What about Revanna, Prajwal Revanna? And what about West Bengal governor? What about Ajit Pawar? What about Eknath Shinde? What about Himanta Biswa Sarma, Assam CM? What about Naveen Jindal? What about Ashok Chavan? All these persons were facing corruption charges as long as they were in Congress. When they have joined in BJP, Modi has got that washing machine, he has clean Nirma washing powder. So Narendra Modi ji doesn't have any moral right to charge against any political party or any individual on corruption basis. He has lost his moral ground.
Sir, Adani issue has rocked. Earlier Congress used to target about Adani. PM is now targeting Congress party, saying that the truck भर के पैसा आया है तेलंगाना में अदानी की तरफ से. You also shared the stage with Adani. How would you like to say that?
Good, very good, good question. Now I am asking Narendra Modi ji, send ED, Income Tax, CBI to raid Adani and Ambani residence and office places. When they have sent rupees to Congress party, why you are not taking action against Adani and Ambani? We are demanding. If you have any sincerity, please send ED, Income Tax, CBI and other agencies to search Adani and Ambani places.
So, one question is just here, like the Hyderabad Lok Sabha constituency, Madhuri Lata has visited a polling booth and she is checking every voter's ID card. She is talking with the polling officers. So, did you saw that visuals or did you go through all
I
that?
have not seen, but BJP simply trying to polarize Muslim votes to win Asaduddin Owaisi. All these issues are going to help Asaduddin Owaisi. It is not going to benefit anything for BJP. BJP agenda is that to say Asad has to elect. This is one type of polarization.
But Asad has extended support to Congress.
Yeah, that is there. I have asked everyone to support Congress party, including BJP cadres also. Narendra Modi ji and cadres are different from
Is it okay if Narendra Modi vote for you?
Yeah, why not? Because this is after all democratic country. Even I'm requesting Yogi Vasundhara, that Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister, former Chief Minister Chauhan, others who have got insulted with Modi. I'm requesting them to vote and support Congress party for national interest. It is not political interest. We wanted to restore our democracy. We wanted to continue our SC, ST, BC and minority reservations. So this is the time to act, everyone.
Sir, Adhiruddin Chaudhary, while speaking to a social media website, has said, when we haven't received truck full of money from Adani, but even if he gives a bag of money from Adani, I'll be okay with it.
That is what I'm trying to tell you, boss. Just for the sake of statements, it is not going to help BJP.
It's 12:15 हो गया, but still the polling is very,
Yeah.
very slowly.
After lunch, people are enjoying their time and holiday. After lunch, they will come and vote.
So what do you want to tell the voters?
Yeah, definitely. I've tweeted. No, I'm requesting my people and whoever wants to continue Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar Constitution and whatever Congress has given reservations to SC, ST, BC and minority and Mahila, they have to come to vote. They have to protect our interests. Otherwise, BJP is going to change the constitution and BJP is going to the entire reservation they wanted to abolish. So this time I am requesting my brother and sisters to vote. Vote and vote. That is the only way to protect our fundamentals. Particular in youth, whoever has got 18 years old, that act amended by Rahul Gandhi. Previous we have 21 years for voting. Rajiv Gandhi has amended the constitution. He has given 18 years old. So this is a time to pay back.
Sir, your good friend and former CM, Mr. KCR, said that they'll get the majority votes this time. See?
We'll see. K. Paul also same thing, he has made statement in Andhra Pradesh. He is going to elect as MP and his party is going to form government in Andhra Pradesh. So we'll see. K. Paul also making some statement, KCR also making some statements. We will see on June 4th. I'm not going to stop KCR making all these statements.
You played football.
Yes. With your Kerala people, team only.
What happened here? Such a big election going on, but you feel like we're going to take a jolly and
It is not jolly, but I wanted to encourage you regarding sports. Andhra Pradesh, Telangana becoming another Punjab, drugs and ganja. These people are more, they're influencing our youth. So I wanted to divert my youth in sports.
2 లక్షల రైతు రుణమాఫీకి సంబంధించి నిధుల సమీకరణ ఎలా చేయబోతాం?
అద్భుతంగా చేస్తాం. మొన్న రైతు బంధు 7 అని చెప్పిండు కేసీఆర్. మే 9 తారీఖు లోపల వేస్తా అని చెప్పిన. మే 6 తారీఖు నాడే 7,500 కోట్ల రూపాయలు అందరి ఖాతాలలో రైతు బంధు వేసిన. రైతు బంధు ఏ విధంగా అయితే రైతులకు ఇచ్చినో చెప్పిన దానికంటే 2 రోజుల ముందు ఇప్పుడు కూడా మీకు చెప్తున్నా 15 ఆగస్టు లోపల ఖచ్చితంగా రైతు రుణమాఫీ చేసి తీరుతా. చంద్రశేఖరరావు లాగా దుబారా, చంద్రశేఖరరావు లాగా అవినీతి, చంద్రశేఖరరావు లాగా అసమర్థ పరిపాలన అందిస్తే ఇవి అసాధ్యం. ప్రతి నిమిషం ప్రతి క్షణం సంక్షేమం కోసం రాష్ట్రం యొక్క ఆదాయాన్ని అభివృద్ధి చేసుకుంటే ఇదేం అసాధ్యమైన టాస్క్ ఏం కాదు. ఏం పగిరా ఏమన్నా ఇంకా అందులో ఇంకాలే ఫ్యాన్ వేసి పెట్ట పనిచే పరమానందే శిష్యులరా మీరంతా ఇంటి నిండా.
పార్లమెంట్ ఎలక్షన్స్ ఏమన్నా రిఫరెండంగా భావిస్తున్నారు?
డెఫినెట్ గా భావిస్తున్నాం పృథ్వీ. అదే ముందు నుంచే చెప్పిన నేను, ఈ పార్లమెంట్ ఎన్నికలు మా 100 రోజుల పరిపాలనకు రెఫరెండం అని చెప్పిన. ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఆ మాట కట్టుబడి ఉన్నా. 100 రోజుల్లో 5 గ్యారంటీలను అమలు చేసి మిగతా గ్యారంటీలను కూడా అమలు చేయడానికి ఏదైతే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నామో దాని దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని ప్రజల్ని తీర్పియమని చెప్పినాము. రాబోయే 10 సంవత్సరాలు కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ అధికారంలో ఉంటుంది.
जन्म से